Oh. Oh. Oh.
If his head would go first.
Can they use it? Yeah. Go ahead and bring it over. Tom, he's gonna bring a bigger net. Yeah. They'll use that one. Reel that one up, Tom. Yeah, they were going to have a hard time with that little smaller one. It's a big red.
Boy, that is a sport too.
The biggest problem was the net was, when the other one was too small. Look at that, fit right in there. Good job.
That thing heavy, man?
It's got some weight to it.
I've hauled a bunch of them up here. Boy, that's a short, squat, bug-eyed individual. I mean, that's a short, fat one, man.
Yep.
Those are the kind I hate to catch on the beach. I break a lot of them off, straighten the hooks out, I don't care. Whatever it takes to get rid of them.
No!
That's a 40-pounder, I bet.
You want to weigh him, David?
He's close. You know that? I bet he's close to 40 pounds.
We'll get the hook out of him.
Oh, he's very long.
We'll get a picture with him, too. I'm going to guess 23.
23?
No.
Probably close.
Yeah.
Closer than me. I mean, you need a pair of pliers, man.
It's right there in the...
25.
25 and a half.
26, like 25, 26.
Yeah, 26 pound.
Sorry, Calvin.
That. 26 pounds, David. Hold him up.
Nice one.
Can you take a picture?
Yeah.
Can you take a picture?